What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the blooper video for this project that Hayley and I are doing.
The blooper video? What does blooper mean?
Blooper means like the silly stuff.
No.
Where I say weird words when I misspeak or we do something goofy. So there ended up being so many of them that I really wanted to share, but when I tried to put them all at the end of the original build video, it just made it way too long. So I thought that I would just put it together in a separate video. So this video is not a project. It's just some bloopers and some funny scenes. So if you want to check it out, have a look. I hope you enjoy. Hayley and I had such a great time putting this project together. I'm super thankful for every moment that we get to spend in the shop working on something. We have so much fun. There's so much laughing, a lot more even than what you can see in this video. It's just such a great time. I love spending the time with her and teaching her different things. There was so many bloopers and funny moments. I hope you enjoy them. Check them out.
Okay, that's enough chit chat.
I'm sure there's going to be plenty of bloopers. We always have bloopers when we're doing a project together.
You know that, don't ya? Whoever watches this show probably knows we have bloopers in these shows. Oh, geez, you guys, my dad's too crazy.
What's wrong with this thing? It's size. The size keeps changing. Our nail's not moving. What in the world?
We're gonna have to do this on the other side.
I think we might. I'm not sure what's going on with our compass. Crazy thing. What kind of circle is this?
It's a circle, I guess.
But why does it keep getting bigger? Look at it.
Let me try this.
I think we got the rough idea.
It's because you're holding it the wrong way. Why do you have to take pictures every minute?
Because that when we start a new part of the video, the taking the picture helps get it, make sure everything's in focus. So before we start recording the video, we take the picture and then it focuses it. That way we're not all blurry.
Well, that's weird. Each little part is a video. Oh, each little part is a video. Oh, each little part is a video, by the way. The song I just sang. Each little part is a video. Oh, each little part is a video. Oh.
We're done.
Okay. Glue! Bye-bye, glue, my glue. Whoops! I just whooped my dad over here in the face. On guard.
I'll pow you.
I'll bow you. Do not laugh at that part. Do not. I mean, do not. If you comment down below, we'll say that in the end. Do not tell us you laughed about that part we just did.
Let her rip, tater chip. Sawdust. Who got sawdust on the seat?
You did. Alright, say that part. Answer a lot of questions on the comments. And make sure you can speak to someone about this video, even if you're a kid. If you go to school, speak to your friend about this. Tell everyone you know we actually did some kind of painting video. Or if you're a kid, tell your friend. If you're a grown-up, tell your grown-up or kid friend. Or your daughter, if your daughter or son wasn't there at the time you watched that video. I've got paint on me over and over again, and it's fine.
It's not bad for you, I don't think.
No. If you eat it, it is.
Well, I would recommend not eating it, probably, but...
It's good for painting, though. Because that's what it's for, right, you guys? Answer that question. Comment down below that question. Say yes or no if it's good for painting or not. Say yes or no if it's good for eating. I'd rather you say no on the one I just said.
I'd probably rather you said no as well. I don't recommend eating paint.
Me neither.
I would imagine that probably everyone watching would agree that eating paint
It's not good.
is not a good idea. I'm trying to hurry and get all this paint ready to go. We've got a limited amount of time to knock out this part of the project, and I'm trying to go really fast. Hopefully we can get this done.
This is my paintbrush, so I'm okay with you like ruining it, or if something bad happens, it's okay because this is my paintbrush. Now I have to be careful with this one because this is Mom's. Hi, little bat.
Ooh.
Googie.
Now I'm going to use the oscillating spander. What's a spander?
Xander, you mean. This is not where we live, is it? It's a workshop, you guys. See this sign right here? See this sign? It is a workshop. See that? It says workshop. Home built workshop. Totally different than any other workshop. And we're going to...
Spooky.
We're going to like, I got this, you guys. I got this. Whew. Whoa. Happy birthday to you.
Whose birthday is it?
It's the theirs.
Somebody's birthday? I'm sure it is somebody's birthday. And if it's your birthday, happy birthday. Let us know down below.